everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a quick flip through of another Beekeeper mini journal slash zine thingy that I made with Jibid's beekeeping digi-kit. So this is for my friend Gwen, who is one of my knitters, and she is also new to the beekeeping world. And so this is hers. This is the envelope that comes with it. And here's one of my fake wax seals. And then this is the kit that I made. I mean, the journal that I made. So I sort of picked up on the red colors versus what I did with the other one, and I'll link that down below. And these take... I know it's little, but I sat here and watched Suits for like 10 hours while I was working on this thing. So here's a G for Gwen and a little key, and I put lace along the little spine here. And then I embroidered some embroidery thread along here, along with some muslin, and then we open it up. Oh wait, that's the back. And I, did the same thing there. And then we open it up. Here's a tuck spot. And let's see, there we go. And then here's a card, here's a card. And here's the first page. And then I have this. And this is a little tag with some lace and a button. And then there's the back. I backed it with this really cool graph paper that I got at in one of my thrift store shopping spree thingies. And here's the next page. And then I used this. This is, I got some remnants of mulberry paper. So this is one of Jibid's really cool graphic quotes backed onto that little piece of mulberry paper. And then here is a tag. And this is a little vintage button with some lace. And then there's the back. And then we open it up. And then I put some of that graph paper just in the center here. And then I did a little flower in the center like I did with the other one. And so here's a little paper clip, a little button paper clip that I made. And then this is that same envelope, only I didn't glue it. And I just put some quotes in here from the kit, and then also some cards. And I just, I backed that one with that pretty graph paper, but I just printed them out onto parchment paper. So there's that. And then I had a little teeny tiny book that I put this little tab thingy on the back, and then a little bit of lace in keeping with the red graph paper theme. And then I put a little piece of music paper and parchment. It's essentially made a little mini junk journal-y thing here, insert, and then here's a doily in the center, and then did all the sort of flippy outy parchment music paper, and there's the back. So there's that, and then there's this page, and there. And we're coming to the end, but there's one of the tags and one of the graphics that she has. And I just printed that onto parchment paper. And then here is the back. This is a paper clip, and then here is one of those floating pockets. So I did the embroidery around, and then here's one of her quotes. And then there's the back for her to journal on. And then on the inside, I did another one of her quotes that come with the kit. And then there's that, and there we are. And I have another one to share, but I'll wait and do that in the next video. Okay, bye.